Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Lambchop, the Lamb, the Legend dog toy. I don't know if you remember Shari Lewis's classic and beloved lamb that is adored by customers. Well, it's been adored by people, and this toy is adored by customers and their dogs. Its super soft exterior makes Lambchop great for cuddling, and the squeaker makes it fun for playtime. So what comes with the toy? One 7 by 2 inch and then 1.5 times 3 inch Lambchop toy figure with stuffing. It's just a super cute toy that I had to get from my parents' dog. They're both Bichon Frises, and they love new toys. They love to tug, and they love that squeak. I grew up watching Shari Lewis's show Lambchop, where she did a puppet that was Lambchop and was always just an adorable puppet. And they would sing the song at the end of the show that was called "The Song That Never Ends," and it goes on and on, my friends. And I want to keep going because it is the song that never ends. It just gets stuck in your head. So this is a really cute toy. It's a dog toy. Multipet International, made in China, intended for pet use. Keep out of reach of children. So it also says to supervise your dog while using the toy, because well, you should always be supervising your dog while it's chewing on a toy, because it can rip its head off. My parents have 2 Bichon Frises, so they're not quite that violent. Well, the little one is. They have one that's 11 years old and one that's 1 year old. And the 1-year-old will take things and shake it and pull the stuffing out of it. So, but I saw this and I had to get it for my parents' dogs. Is something fun to play with. I think dogs are just one of the most wonderful creatures on this earth, and Lambchop being one of my favorite shows, I thought it would be a really cute thing to give the dogs as a gift and something to play with. So yeah, this is it's a nice little product. It's real soft, squishy. You can take this Lambchop label off. You don't have to have it on there. I can't pull it off right now. I think it needs to be cut. But it's got Lambchop's cute little face and red front paws. It just brings me back to childhood, and I showed it to my parents and they were thrilled that I got it for the dogs, because the dogs love new toys. I bought the little dog, a pineapple with a rope toy on it, and that's become one of her favorite toys. So I'm sure this will become one of her favorite toys as well, because it takes her a little bit to warm up to them. She does eventually start using them and loves them, and she'll bring them over to you, and then she'll want to play fetch, and it's pretty adorable. So that's exactly what you do with these toys. You have little fluffy toys around the house. Let your dogs bring them to you or tease them with them. Usually there's a little bit of a tug of war, which is something they really enjoy. It brings a little joy to their life, and it brings joy to your life, because dogs are some of the best companions on this earth, in my opinion. I don't know about the cat lovers out there. I don't think you could use this as a cat toy. Cats would have any interest in this. I think this is pretty much a dog toy. It's a great little fun thing to pick up as a present to give to my parents' dogs, and I know they'll appreciate it because they will use it. They have their dog basket with all of their toys in it, and Lambchop is soon to join as soon as I give it to my mom. And It's just a really fun toy and something to give as a small gift. You know, you can give it to your friends that have dogs. You know, I always am very thoughtful and find dog toys and little things for my friends. So check this out, the Lambchop dog toy. That is the whole packaging is 21 centimeters. So it's a pretty small toy, so it's for small dogs. But don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself, and thanks so much for watching.